It is the end of another week. I just got finished doing my long run. It was 6 miles today. I did the first 5 miles in zone 2 of my heart rate zone. And then I did the last mile as a magic mile, which is a really fast mile. Just trying to get the lighting because I think it's about to rain here, but it was really good. I'm really happy with it. It was a hilly route. I've been trying to stick to hilly routes since the marathon, the San Francisco Marathon that I'm training for is very hilly, so I'm trying to keep in line with that training. It's been going good. Same running schedule, Tuesdays and Thursdays, about 30 minutes. Then Friday, I ran for a mile. And let's see, Friday was a really light run, zone 1. It was very light for me. And then Thursday was a zone 3 run. And then Tuesday was a zone 2 run. And my weekend runs are generally zone 2s. In case you haven't noticed me talking about all the zones, that's because I train by heart rate. Mostly there are some instances that I will reference my pace, and it's usually to kind of see where my pace is, like according to my heart rate, to gauge that, because not the heart rate, any heart rate monitor will sometimes not read very well, and I will use my pace as a second indicator, but primarily I do try to stick to heart rate training. Just over the years I've noticed that I do much better with that, as far as not training too hard and injuring myself or really hindering my progress. Everything else was the same as well. Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, still doing my strength training as normal. Then yeah, that was about it. Eating still the same. I eat about 2,000 calories a day, and that sums everything up. I'm getting really closer to the marathon time, which is at the end of July. Other than that, I think that's it for today. Try to keep this video short, as I usually try to do. And till next time, I'll see you out maybe in these fitness running streets.